In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the McClellan Oscillator Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, how to find the indicator, and how to adjust the basic settings so it appears clean and useful on your chart. First, open up your TradingView Pro chart to any market you want to analyze. It can be stocks, crypto, indexes, or futures. It doesn't matter. At the top of your chart, you'll see a toolbar running horizontally. Look for the button that says Indicators. It usually sits near the middle of that top bar. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When that window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. This search bar is the fastest way to find anything you need inside TradingView's massive indicator library. Click inside that search field so your cursor is active there. Now type McClellan Oscillator into the search bar. As you start typing, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. Make sure you spell McClellan correctly so it shows up right away. Once the McClellan Oscillator appears in the list, you should see it under the built-in indicators section. Move your mouse over it and click once. As soon as you click, the indicator will be added to your chart, usually in a separate panel underneath your price chart. You'll now see the McClellan Oscillator line, and possibly a zero line or other visual elements depending on the default template. To customize how it looks or how it's calculated, hover your mouse over the indicator panel where the oscillator is displayed. On the left side of that panel's title area, you'll see a small gear icon. That gear icon opens the settings for the McClellan Oscillator. Click on it. Inside the settings window, you can adjust inputs like the moving average lengths, as well as visual options such as colors, line thickness, and style. If you're just getting started, you may want to keep the default inputs and only change visual elements so the line is easy to see against your chart background. When you're happy with your changes, click OK or close the window, and those settings will be saved for that chart layout. If you're new to TradingView Pro or thinking about upgrading, make sure to check the link in the description to sign up. Once you're set up with your account, you can repeat these same steps on any chart and have the McClellan Oscillator ready to go in just a few clicks.